welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a lemon inspired wax melt. So for step one, I'm going to be measuring out just a small amount of wax, and this is going to be our white seeds in our wax melt. So I've got some leftover white wax from our previous project. I'm just going to add that into my pitcher. And if you don't have extra white wax, you can just measure about 2 centimeters of white wax into the bottom of our pitcher, and we're going to get this melting. So to my white wax, I'm going to add 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. And I'll have a link down below to all the products I use. I'll have this electric hot plate, the metal pitcher, the mica powder I use. It'll all be listed down below if you're interested in recreating this wax melt. So I'm just going to let my white wax melt. I'm going to get my teardrop shaped mold set up and ready, so when our white wax is melted, I can go ahead and pour it in. So here's my mold. I got it off Amazon, and as you can see, there's like raindrops and clouds and hearts, and I love using this mold because you can use it in so many different varieties because the bottom is flat. So I've used these teardrop shapes for a watermelon wax melt I've done before. I'll have a link down below to that if you're interested. But I use these clouds and these hearts I've also done in another video. So this is a great mold for very versatile wax melts. So my white wax has completely melted. I'm going to let it cool just a little bit, and then I'm going to pour into my mold. So my wax is about 180 degrees, so it's good to pour into this mold. This mold is pretty heat resistant, so it won't melt or anything. So I'm going to pour into my teardrop shapes. I'm going to let my little seeds solidify, and I will be right back. So I let the seeds sit overnight so they're really solid, and I'm going to pop them out of the mold. So I found the 6 prettiest ones, and we want the ones that are the flattest and clearest on the bottom, so the part that was directly in contact with the mold on the bottom. So I got 6 of the best ones, and I'm going to pop them into my clamshell. So to get the lemon slice look I'm going for, I'm going to take my little seeds, and I'm going to put the part that was flattest on the bottom. Then I'm going to face them all towards the middle of our wax melt. And as you can see with the lower ones, I'm pointing them at a different angle than I was the ones on this side. So these ones will point downwards towards the center. As you can see, I've got them all facing towards the middle of our clamshell. So our next step is going to be measuring out our yellow. I'm going to get my scale zeroed out, and I'm going to measure out 5.4 ounces of wax melt wax. I'm going to take our wax, and I'm going to put it on my electric hot plate. So my next step is going to be adding 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. And I'm also going to add 2 drops of liquid yellow candle dye. So when your wax reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit and is fully liquid, you can add your fragrance oil. I have a link down below to a fragrance oil that I think will be great for these. So I'm going to take my wax off the heat. So I'm going to wait until my wax reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit before I pour into my clamshell. So my wax has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to pour into my clamshell. I'm going to let my wax melt solidify and I will be right back. So let the wax melt fully solidify and I'm going to pop it out of the clamshell. Thank you everyone for watching. Please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have new videos that come out every single Thursday. And you can also check out our website, sweetstarcandles.com, where I sell sparkling candles and wax melts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next Thursday.